Tired of copy-pasting your way to product page perfection? Wishing you could clone your best-performing pages or products in an instant? Introducing ShopLentor's Post Duplicator Module. Stop wasting time. Duplicate WooCommerce products and pages in seconds. Setting up is incredibly simple. Go to ShopLentor, Settings, Modules, enable the Post Duplicator. To check this, navigate to Pages and then All Pages. You will find the Post Duplicator option available for each item listed. If you want only selected items to be shown here, you can. Other items will not be displayed. You can also easily duplicate a page. Ready to revolutionize your WooCommerce workflow? Activate the Post Duplicator module for ShopLentor today. No coding required. Unlock the power of the Post Duplicator module today.